Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple but cool banana bread recipe that has salted caramel inside and also it has salted caramel on top, because why not, right? So we're gonna get that started and you guys hopefully will enjoy this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to start off with my caramel. I'm going to put 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water into a pot. I'm going to cook that until it caramelizes. So now that my sugar has caramelized, I'm going to turn off the heat and add a half a cup of heavy cream. So next I'm going to mix my hot mixture with a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and a half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to pour my caramel into a mason jar and I'm going to set it aside. And now we're going to start on the banana bread. So I'm going to use 3 bananas in this recipe. 2 of those bananas are going into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to start creaming a half a cup of unsalted butter and 3/4 cups of dark brown sugar. So now I'm going to add my 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of really good vanilla extract. You guys can also use vanilla paste in this recipe. So once my bananas were out of the oven, I let them cool for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to start mashing them up and I'm going to add it to my sugar and butter mixture. So now I'm going to start sifting my dry ingredients. I'm sifting 2 cups of cake flour, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and freshly grated nutmeg. Now I'm going to add my buttermilk, and once I'm done with that, I'm just going to pour my batter into a prepared pan. I brushed my pan with butter and lined it with parchment paper. So now I'm going to pour half of my batter to my pan, then I'm going to add my salted caramel on top, then I'm just going to repeat the same thing one more time. So now I'm going to swirl the caramel into the batter. Not for any specific reason really, I just thought it looked really cute. So this is the cool part of the banana bread. I sliced the banana in half and now I'm just putting a little bit of brown sugar on top. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. So now that your banana bread is out of the oven, you do have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes for it to cool down, but once you do, just drizzle some of that salted caramel right on top and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.